So if you are new to the crypto space, there's something called arbitrage trading, which basically means exploiting price on various exchanges. So you buy low on one exchange and sell high on the next exchange immediately, and the profit is bagged. So the business is simple. You have to find a way to buy low on one exchange, then send this to the next exchange, whichever way possible, and sell at a higher price at the exchange you sent the coin to. Now, you make more money within minutes, hours, within a day. So, because we normally talk about arbitrage trading in exchanges, right? Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get arbitrage opportunity in the DEX space like Raydium, PancakeSwaps, and the rest, right? So, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber and haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, man. Subscribe. This page is very informative and will help you build up your finances. So yeah, let's dive right into it. So the first place we'll be using is Raydium.io, right? See, some people will be saying, God bless you for the opportunity of arbitrage, because bro, it's the easiest way to make money on the crypto space. Trust me, you only have to put in one capital and get those double, at least close to double of your capital within minutes or hours. Basically, that's how arbitrage is. It's very straight to the point, right? So we're searching for this project, this coin, Gene. We'll be buying low at this place at Radium. I'll show you where to sell off at a higher price, right? So you can do this arbitrage trading stuff with any capital you have. $10, $20, $30, $100, $1,000 based on your pocket, right? So you want to buy, you're buying with USDT, then you put in the amounts you have. Let's say, for instance, you have $20 that you want to use for this arbitrage opportunity, right? So $20 will give you 2,664,000 Gene. I mean, say $20. If you have a $20 capital, it will give you 2,664 Gene. That's the amount of the coin we'll be getting with our $20 capital, right? Now let me show you where you will sell this off and make double of your money, or close to double, or even more than double, because that's basically how arbitrage works. You buy low here, then find a way to sell high. So let me show you where you can sell it off ASAP. So we'll be using PancakeSwap to sell it off at a higher price and back in our profit, right? So head over to this place and search for, remember the name of the coin is Gene, right? Search for Gene, Genopets, and select it. We will be buying or we'll be selling with USDT, right? We'll be selling it into USDT, right? So select USDT. So let's remember the amount of Gene we bought, right? We bought 2,664 Gene for 20 USDT on Raydium, and we want to sell on PancakeSwap. So let's see how much we'll be making. So 2,664 Gene for 20 USDT, that's how much we bought it. So if you're selling it, because unlike exchange you have to bridge, if you're bridging it here, we'll be making $31.4. So let's see how much we make. 0.4 minus $20. That's basically $11.4 within minutes, right? So unlike the exchanges, with DEX platforms, you have to bridge to send. Bridging is basically using a middle platform to convert those coins from one DEX platform to the other, right? Exchanges is more straightforward. DEXs are more complicated this way. Not complicated that is hard, complicated that you have to use another bridging platform. But because of YouTube policies and restrictions and taking down videos, I can't send those type of links on my channel. But if you request for it, I can easily send it to you, so you can bridge it and make your profit ASAP. So I want you guys to go over in the comment sections and comment whether you like exchanges type of arbitrage or the DEX type of arbitrage. Let's know what you think about both. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And that's basically how we grow this channel. So let's go.